We are sorry to announce that the 10:41 Northern service to Blackpool Moor is delayed by approximately 7 minutes due to a late-running train in front of this one. This service is between Bradford Interchange and Halifax. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 10:32 Northern service to Chester, calling at Todmorden, Rochdale, Manchester Victoria, Newton Le Willows, Earlstown, Warrington Bank Quay and Chester. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 10:32 Northern service to Chester.
Would customers please note, on Saturday the 4th of May and Sunday the 5th of May, engineering work will be taking place on this line. As a result of this, buses are replacing trains between York and Lichfield and between York and Leeds in both directions for some services between 8 p.m. on Saturday the 4th of May and 11 a.m. on Sunday the 5th of May. For more information regarding replacement buses for your service and for further travel assistance, please visit www.northernrailway.co.uk/improvement works. Please see station information brochures for the location of the bus stop. Thank you.
We are sorry to announce that the 10:50 Northern service to Leeds is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. This service is between Rochdale and Lichfield. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 10:43 Northern service to York, calling at Halifax, Bradford Interchange, New Pudsey, Leeds, Garforth, Church Fenton and York. This train is formed of 3 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 10:43 Northern service to York. We are sorry to announce that the 10:41 Northern service to Blackpool Moor is delayed by approximately 15 minutes due to a late-running train in front of this one. This service is between Halifax and Hebden Bridge.
May I have your attention, please? This is a special announcement. On Sunday, the 5th of May, planned engineering works are taking place in the Warrington Bank Quay area. As a result, there will be no train services between Earlstown and Chester, and northern services between Leeds and Chester will be diverted to operate between Leeds and Liverpool Lime Street in both directions. Buses will be operating between Manchester Piccadilly and Chester via Earlstown in both directions. Please use online journey planners to check and plan your journey, and if you require mobility assistance, visit northernrailway.co.uk/help. Please see station information brochures for the location of the bus stop.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the delayed 10:50 Northern service to Leeds, calling at Michelroyd, Celia Bridge, Halifax, Lowmore, Bradford Interchange, New Pudsey, Bramley and Leeds. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the delayed 10:50 Northern service to Leeds. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the delayed 10:41 Northern service to Blackpool Moor, calling at Burnley Manchester Road, Accrington, Blackburn, Preston, Kirkham and Wesham, Holton le File and Blackpool Moor. This train is formed of 3 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the delayed 10:41 Northern service to Blackpool Moor. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 11:12 Northern service to Wigan Moorgate, calling at Todmorden, Warmston, Littleborough, Smithy Bridge, Rochdale, Manchester Victoria, Salford Central, Salford Crescent, Swinton, Moorside, Walkden, Atherton, Hackfold, Daisy Hill, Hindley, Ince and Wigan Moorgate. This train is formed formed of 4 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 11:12 Northern service to Wigan Moorgate. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 11:40 Northern service to Leeds. Calling at Microwave, Celia Bridge, Brickhouse, Burfield, Dewsbury, Baton, Morley and Leeds. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 11:14 Northern service to Leeds. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 11:57 Northern service to Manchester Victoria, calling at Todmorden, Rochdale and Manchester Victoria. This train is formed of 3 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 11:57 Northern service to Manchester Victoria. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 12:12 Northern service to Wigan Moorgate, calling at Todmorden, Walsden, Littleborough, Smithy Bridge, Rochdale, Manchester Victoria, Salford Central, Salford Crescent, Swinton, Moorside, Walkden, Atherton, Hackfold, Daisy Hill, Hindley, Ince and Wigan Moorgate. This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 12:12 Northern service to Wigan Moorgate,